Hey guys, welcome to Scott's Reviews and welcome to day whatever of the quarantine. But right now I'm in an action camera craze. I don't know why, but I'm stuck on it right now. I've been searching all over for different action cameras, which one's the best. And right now I want to talk about the GoPro Max. And then in my next video coming up just after this one, probably in 2 days after this one's released, is a comparison of the GoPro Max in hero mode versus Osmo Action GoPro Hero 7, and then eventually GoPro Hero 8 when that comes in. But right now I want to focus on my buying experience of the GoPro Max that was done through eBay. Again, this is Scott. This is Scott Reviews. Welcome to the channel, first time coming by. I do camera and speaker reviews and comparisons, and right now I'm again focusing on action cameras, and specifically the GoPro Hero Max. It's my first attempt at a 360 camera, and so far I am interested. It's a little bit different. It's a lot of cool features, some things that I'm like maybe gimmicky, but we'll get into that later on. But I want to focus to this video on my buying experience. Now, a little about me, and when I buy stuff, I like to hunt. I'm more of the hunter.
Who the hell are you?
And I'm more excited about the deal than actually the item I'm buying sometimes, which is a little weird, but that's just the way I am. Always hunting around for the best deal. You're gonna like this video. Where I go normally, of course, I've tried eBay, I go to Amazon, I go to Amazon Used for the product that's I'm looking for, and look if they have a used item of that. I try, so if it's like a GoPro, they sell it in different type of variations where they have other accessories that come with it. So you have different options to look for when it comes to used market. So I picked up the GoPro Max off of eBay. So on eBay, I did a couple of buy it nows for different folks, trying to get a price around $375, which was a little aggressive, but sometimes folks just want to get rid of their stuff. I had no luck with individual sellers, but when you deal with an individual seller, they're trying to get the most they can back from that purchase. So they're not gonna really want to wheel and deal that much.
Yeah. No, I'm just on the phone with this stupid salesman. He's so dumb. Probably just gonna keep him on the line forever and not buy anything.
Versus a bigger business like a B&H. This camera from Adorama. Now, everyone should know what Adorama is. It's a huge camera company. They offered it for $409 used, and they called it an E for excellent. So I gave it a try, gave them an offer of $375 off of the $409 price, and they accepted it, which I was pretty excited about. I'm sure they're trying to move merchandise themselves during this pandemic. I'm sure not many folks are buying action cameras while folks can't go out and do things at all. So I'm the only idiot that's buying an action camera that's stuck at the house.
I am too smart. S-M-R-T. I mean S-M-A-R-T.
Waited on the camera, got the box in the mail. They offer a warranty on it and a return, which is, which is something you not always get through eBay from a seller. So I'm very comfortable buying it through eBay and through Adorama. The box here was completely wrapped in its own packaging. I sprayed it down with Lysol. Opened this up, sprayed this box down with Lysol, got the camera up, sprayed that down with Lysol, and hit some of the parts with Lysol too, just to be safe, right? The box came with all the right paperwork. It came with all the right mounts. Nothing was missing. It came with the USB-C cord, so I was happy with all that. The little case here that it comes with, and had the protectors inside, and they have, I could tell they've kind of been used a little bit. Well, at least they don't have the lens protector on them anymore. Not really scratched up, a little dusty, but they've been in this bag for a while. But I did notice on the camera itself, it had some scuff marks, which, if you can see from this photo here, if I put a photo on the screen I took with my iPhone, a pretty good gouge off the side, which then leads me to believe it took a nice fall. So you gotta check out the lenses. So on the lens itself is you can't probably see it in this, from this camera angle, but there was a very small scratch right in the front of the lens, which had me concerned. Did some videos and played it back, and I really couldn't see anything on the video showing that scratch, so I felt better with that. But I contacted Adorama through eBay and just told them that I was a little bit disappointed in the rating that you guys gave this camera, and maybe it should have been rated a little bit less. So they went back and forth through emails, very responsive, asking me whether I can return it for a full refund. I was kind of looking for more for a replacement, maybe something with a better, higher rating and better condition. So they offered $45 back in return as a refund due to its probably incorrect rating for its return value. Really kind of wanted to get replaced with a different one, but they wanted to go with a full replacement and then start over again, which I didn't really want to do. So I went ahead and took the $45 off. I'm pretty happy with that. It's not seeing the scratch in the footage, which is most important. The rest, I probably will make my own scuffs down the road eventually anyway, so who cares? So to me, I got it for a great price. If you are a hunter of deals, they're out there right now. I have a GoPro 8 coming that I never thought I would buy off of Amazon, with the floaty stick, an extra battery, an SD card for $319. I could probably even review that camera and then sell it back on eBay and either make my money back or make a couple of bucks more. Their deals are out there, you just gotta go hunt and find them. So the plan for this camera is that we're gonna review it against the Osmo Action, the GoPro Hero 7, right there. And I may throw in my favorite camera just for comparison, and I'll let you guess that one later on. We're gonna look at the Hero mode for this camera, because this is kind of like, for me, a 2-in-1. You get a GoPro style camera, and then you get a 360 camera. So you decide which one you want to use at the time. Again, like, subscribe down below. That way you see the next video that comes out. It's gonna be a long video with a lot of different angles and different comparisons. So you kind of see the difference in the image quality, dark environment, bright lit environment. The next video after this is when the GoPro comes in, and I'll do a review on the GoPro 8 and the Max here. And maybe the Osmo. Maybe all of them again. Why not? You guys stay safe, be healthy, and I'm locked in here in Maryland, so this is all I get to do right now. Make some reviews. Hopefully one day get out there and be able to use these action cameras again. See ya.